Hey everyone, Andrew here. I'm going to be showing you how you can launch workflows based off of the engagement score of a contact. Now, if you've never used the engagement score feature on the platform, let me show you how you can get it set up right now. If you're new to this feature, then just log in and head to settings and then go to manage scoring. This is where you'll be able to see the different rules where you can add and subtract points to a contact based on their engagement with you and your platform. A couple default ones are if a contact opens an email, then they'll get a point added to their contact. If they book an appointment, then I'll add a point, and so on. I have a custom one here for if a tag is added, in this case is biz owner, then we're going to add 3 points just for testing purposes. This type of points system is awesome to manage and see who is most engaged with your platform, but of course it's not useful unless we can launch workflows off of it. So let me show you how you can launch a workflow off of the score that a contact has. You're going to go to automations and we're going to create a new workflow. Now in any workflow you have, you can add your trigger, and if you just look up engagement, then you'll see right here the contact engagement score as a workflow trigger. Now, there's a ton of functionality here for when you actually launch the workflow. You can launch it when a score is equal to a specific number, when it's greater than or equal to, empty, not empty, is not equal to, less than or equal to. To keep things simple, we're going to say greater than or equal to 3. If you remember, we have one rule where it adds 3 points if a contact gets a specific tag, so we're going to show you how that works right now. And we're going to see right here, we have a couple of things that launch off. We can launch emails, texts, and obviously everything else you can do within a standard workflow. And this one, I'm going to launch a DM to this person once they have received a specific tag. We're going to save and publish this. Now I'm going to find the contact I want to test this with. In this case, it's this Instagram account here. We're going to go ahead and add the tag biz owner, as we can see right here. Now, once we do this, it's going to not only increase the contact engagement score to 3, but also launch our workflow off of that. Now that we've added that tag, I just got a notification that I got the DM, and I'll show you it right here. If we go into the conversation, then we will see the DM that we launched off of that workflow. Now, of course, you can go back to the manage scoring section and change some of this. One that I really like is seeing if a customer replies with a specific keyword. Let's say, for example, that, then it'll add X amount of points. And by using that, not only can we segment our contact list from people that are engaged and people that aren't, but we can also launch workflows off of it and re-engage with those people that are engaged in the appropriate manner. It's a super cool feature. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.